everyone, I'm Evelyn Tan, an influencer in quality engineering, to bring you another lessons on how to apply quality engineering tools and concepts to be proactive in achieving consistently good quality products. So, let's get started.
We have already reviewed Six Sigma and Lean in the previous video, which I'm sure by now you should be able to describe what is the purpose of these two methodology very well, to the extent it impressed your management. I don't think your manager will be able to describe it in the way that you do now. If you're attending an interview, your explanation will also give you a plus point. This is a channel where I give good insights on quality engineering. So, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button, and I'm sure you will be more enlightened about quality engineering. Please refer also to the link below for the two videos on Six Sigma and Lean, which I explain about both methodology, or you can refer to the end screen of this video. In this lesson, we will explore the differences between Lean, Six Sigma, and why they are joined together become Lean Six Sigma. The term Lean Six Sigma has led to the perception that a company which implemented Lean Six Sigma will lead to cost saving and also increase in profitability, which is the wish outcome in any business organization. Let's look at the differences between Six Sigma and Lean in this slide. Six Sigma is actually originated in US and also adopted in US by many multinational companies. The main purpose of this methodology is to reduce variation, thus stabilize the process. And this methodology requires lots of data collection, using quality tools for root cause identification, an action plan to address the root cause through a phase-by-phase approach. It is followed by data analysis using statistical modeling to verify if there is significant improvement, and followed by standardizing all the action plan to sustain the improvement. Whereas Lean is stated that it could have been originated in America, however, it is widely adopted in Japan, especially those Japanese automobiles makers such as Toyota, and it is also known as TPS, Toyota Production System. It has the roots of known as Toyota Production System. It's about creating value to customers through waste elimination and strive for perfection through continuous improvement. There is not much data collection. However, you will need to go and gamba the process to look for waste and to understand what is the current state. And the tool used mainly are value stream mapping to find out the waste. Lean tools is actually about elimination of waste and bringing value to the customers. From the last slides, it seems that both Lean and Six Sigma are quite different. Then why it become Lean Six Sigma? Let's look at the history of both methodology. I started my career in the electronics manufacturing during the late 80s. I love the 80s. It is an era of major social economic changes, advancement in genetic, and also the dawn of digital transformation with the creation of personal computers. At the time, Six Sigma was prevalent in every company where they wanted to achieve Six Sigma qualities at that time. Six Sigma was pioneered by Motorola engineers in the 80s with the purpose of process improvement. This methodology focuses on data collection and statistical analysis of data, as you know, and then it is also become a big phenomenon when Jack Welch made Six Sigma the GE business strategy in 1995. Several American-based multinational corporations followed suit and claim to have huge saving, which is the biggest incentive to implement Six Sigma in any business organization. The word Six Sigma has become a catchphrase for most companies' top management, and they force their organization to establish Six Sigma projects everywhere, irrespective if it is a suitable approach or not. As we approach the 21st century, Lean has become more popular through Dr. Womack and his team's work. Lean tools are quite simple and easy to use without any complicated statistical modeling. A lot of companies have started to use those popular tools in Lean, such as 5S, standardized work, Pokayoke, Kaizen, etc., with almost immediate results seen. Thus, Lean slowly takes over Six Sigma as a groundbreaking tool in production and management. By the time Lean has become well known, many organizations has already adopted the Six Sigma culture as a groundbreaking tools religiously, and it has gone beyond manufacturing to medical and also financial at, at that time. So at the same time, most management does not want to lose out to company who embrace lean. They started to assimilate lean tools and thus the beginning of Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma was actually created in a book, Leaning into Six Sigma by Barbara Witt and her associates, which give a guide on how to combine both Lean and Six Sigma to get great results in quality and also cycle time. Organizations starts to adopt Lean Six Sigma practices, and most of the training companies all started to ride the wave of the trend by offering Six Sigma. For me, Lean is actually a culture or mindset in bringing value to the customers through waste elimination and strive for perfection. This means that customers do not need to pay for the waste created if the product is from a lean company. Six Sigma is actually a methodology, should be a methodology in lean for elimination of defect waste, as this waste is directly linked to customers' experience and has high focus. So, Six Sigma is actually more of a point-to-point improvement, and Lean is a big picture sort of methodology or culture or mindset, which is a more holistic approach in looking at the overall value stream end to end to eliminate waste and bring value to the customers. We can look at Lean Six Sigma as a synergy tools where the combination of both will be 1 plus 1 equals to 5 or 10 effect to the productivity and the quality that a company dream of if it is implemented effectively by a capable team who are well trained. I would like to leave you with a quote by Deng Xiaoping, one, one of the prime minister in China, which stated that we do not care whether it's a black cat or white cat. As long as it can catch a mouse, then it is a good cat. So it means that we do not care that whether this is a conventional or unconventional Japanese or American tools. As long as it produce results, then it is a good tools. So this is a channel that share this is a channel of sharing which contributes to your growth and make you a subject matter experts for you to perform well in your job interview and also impress your management. So I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to these channels.
Do give me a thumbs up if you like and have benefited from today's video, which is especially prepared for you to hack into the key areas to achieve good results. Please do subscribe to this channel to get notified on the future video, and appreciate if you can leave a comment on what you would like to learn. I would also appreciate if you can share this channel with all your friends. Thank you and see you in my next lesson. Bye!